Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Naninga Koe. Thank you so much for joining me today on this channel. So enough of the highs and whatever. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to also like this video if indeed you do like any of the stuff that I've mentioned or I'm going to mention. So basically it's an Aliexpress haul and I'm so excited that I received this stuff. I ordered it about 3 months ago. Yes, I know that is long, but you should understand that Aliexpress does ship via Kenyan post office because I'm in Kenya. It does use Kenyan post office, and you know that I live in the village, so it does take a while to come from the capital city, which is Nairobi, all the way to the village. But enough of that, you're here for the haul, so let's just get into this haul. Don't forget to like, yeah. So the first thing that I actually got is actually, let me just cut up these things. I have handy dandy scissors right here. Oh my God, I think I've just touched this. My lighting has gone off, just bear with me a minute. So the first thing that I actually got are a set of rings. So I really got this ring set. I hope you guys, I'm going to link everything in the description box, the seller, the link, and everything where I got them from, basically the link, yeah, to these things. So I got these rings, and I'm not sure about the prices, but I'll just insert the prices somewhere there. So let me just try on these rings, honestly, because I'm eager to try them on. I have not tried them on yet, and I'm very, very eager to try them on. Because, I mean, if you have long nails, fake nails and stuff, I think it just looks better with rings. Because, you know, my fingers are already long, so at least the rings will shorten them slightly. So let me just put them on, and then maybe I can show you the design properly. It will take a while, so how the rings look. And honestly, I feel like some of them are really, really like thin, to the point that they actually look like, what is it called? Like a seal or something, just like something like that was a seal of something, and they just decided to make a ring. But I took the simplest set. That seller had lots of set. If you can just check out the link below, and they were really, really cheap. But my favorite is this one, because it is a bit, you know, it has a bit of something. The rest are just simple. This one just has a little thing on them. So they are really nice by the, I can't complain about the quality for the price, and this one is kind of big. So for the price, and I just thought, you see, they add something to my fingers. I think I'll just let them stay. So for the price, they are really, really good. And then from the same seller, I actually got, where is that thing? Okay. Yeah, I actually got an earring, and it's just a really fancy earring. I don't know whether I can just have to put it on because it is so fancy. You might not be able to get exactly what it is. You can't get the gist of this earring unless I put it on. So, but it just looks like this. It's a cuff. So this part goes over the upper part of your ear, and then this one enters the hole, and it just has studs like that. So it's really cool actually when I put it on. I think I'll just insert a picture of how it's supposed to look, so that at least you can get the picture. So that is it for this seller. These rings were how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One fell down. So there are actually 12 rings for that price. Let's move on to the next package because we have quite a number of packages to go, and I really wanted like to finish this haul really fast. So the next thing that I got is actually these nails. So these are the 2 sets of nails that I got. For those of you who know, definitely who've been following me, you know that I actually got nails from Aliexpress. These ones, I know this middle one I actually DIY'd it myself. Okay, sorry for showing you the middle finger, but the middle one I actually DIY'd it myself. So they were plain like these ones. just plain like these ones. So this is the previous set that I had, and these were just like coffin shaped, or basically like blunt. They are blunt at the top, and so I decided to get the stiletto ones, the ones that are sharp. So I got this multicolored pack, and it was really, really affordable. So it has like yellow, purple, pink, blue, and then I got these plain pink ones. So these ones are stiletto ones. They are really, really sharp, and those ones I got from one seller, and I'm going to link that seller down below so you can check it out. The next thing that I actually got is earrings, but I think I'll keep the earrings for the last because I have to try them on. And this set, I'll just try and open it up properly. Honestly, guys, AliExpress is such a deal. Like, honestly, if it ships to your country, just try it. I know sometimes people say it's a hit and miss, but all you have to do is actually just read the reviews and you're good to go. The next thing that I got from this seller, this one came in this package, is actually these things. They are stickers for the face, like festival stickers, like the ones we normally see people in Brazil, South America, the Caribbean islands using for their carnivals. And they just look like that. And I thought that they'd be this was the first one. This one looks like this. So this is the actual sticker, this one, and this two for going under the eyes. So I thought these were really pretty. I can use them for filming Instagram and all that. And then the next one is just this simple one. Oh, have I put it upside down? Sorry. This simple one that just has like a little thing over here and that and that. And then the final one is this like really, really out there one. So I thought it would be good like for Instagram and all that, like at least for me to get some Instagram pics and all that. Let's see another package. I just want to hurry through these packages because I'm quite tired. It's actually at the end of the day. I just picked them from the post office today, and I said if I stay with them, I might use them before I film this. So the next thing that I got, most of the packages that arrived, because as I said, I ordered them like about 2 to 3 months ago. Most of the ones that arrived are the ones that were like for practical use. Like I was going to use them for something like DIY or something of the sort. So this next package, it just looks like this, and it has this neon shimmer pigments. So it has a yellow like shimmer pigment in it. These ones I took them so that I can DIY my nails. And it also has a neon pink one. I'm just gonna put them like right there. And then there's also a neon green one. And I don't want them to fall, so let me just put them down here. Today I'm filming from a different place. My room is in a mess, so I was like, I'm not gonna clean it because I'm so tired. And this is an orange one. So those 4 colors are the ones that I had in this package. They're just nail pigments for sugar coating. If you don't know what sugar coating is or how it can be done, make sure that you check out one of my videos. I did a video on how to sugar coat your nails, and it's so simple. All you need is glue and some of these pigments. Next package that we have is actually, are we almost done? There were about 7 packages. Oh, this one. There's one package thing that I was testing out. I wanted to see exactly how these hair extensions, they're not really hair extensions. Yeah, I guess that you can call them hair extensions, but they're just like for bedazzling your hair. So they look like this. They're long. Like I just picked neon green ones. I wanted to test them out. And the back part has hooks on them, so I thought it would be a really good addition because I can just hook them onto my wigs, and then my wigs look like they have some sort of jazzy something. So I'm going to try this ones out, so watch to the end of the video for me if you want to see whether these hair extensions are worth it. As I said, they do have clips right here. Yeah, they have clips, like clip-ins that you can clip. So I wanted to see whether they are actually nice, and they look okay, then so that I can order some more, like some more colors or something of the sort. I'm really done. Wow. Okay, so these earrings are my favorite package that came today. Like, they are my favorite package that came today. There are some other wigs that are stuff that is still in transit, like wigs and all, and you'll just see why they're my favorite package. Okay, my son has woken up, so I don't know whether we should continue filming. He was asleep on the chair. Oh, okay, it's fine though. So basically, this first pair looks like this. There were 3 pairs. They are made of wood, and they are really lightweight. I know that lightweight is usually equivalent to bad quality, but I'm telling you, when it comes to earrings, lightweight is better, because if you have heavy earrings are going like to make your hole really big, like Maasai big. If you're a Kenyan, you know what I mean. Like, you'll have Maasai ears. You can also Google what Maasai ears are if you're not a Kenyan. Yeah, so these are elephant earrings, and as you know, African elephants are actually being poached so much for their tusks. Despite the fact that ivory was banned all over the world, they are still being poached. And so I thought that earrings is a really, really good symbol of like support for the elephants. So I got this pair. They're made of wood, very lightweight. I like them. The next pair, I'll save the best one for last. It's just an African map, right? It's an African map. And the earrings just, oh my God, one has fallen. It's an African map, as you can see, and they look so pretty. Like, just look at them, seriously. Like, brown, like our skin, like they're just beautiful. And last but not least, this one's written Motherland, and they actually have a map of Kenya. I don't know why I had to get them from AliExpress, like all the way from China. I don't know. Maybe it's a Kenyan who like has a company in China. I don't know, but hey, they were on AliExpress, and I was just like, hey, I have to support. So they basically have the map of Kenya, and these ones are actually my favorite. They have the map of Kenya, and then they're written Motherland. I know not everyone knows that this is the map of Kenya, but Kenyans know that it's the map of Kenya. So how could I resist? Yeah, really pretty. Okay, you guys have not seen the writing well. It's written Motherland. So I like that. So let me just try on maybe these hair clips, and then I'll be back to say goodbye until next time. Some of these rings have fallen. Need to like push them down. Yeah, so yeah, it's okay. But I really like the rings. Like, I definitely recommend these rings. They're not flimsy. They don't look like they'll break. Yeah, and they are worth the price, basically. Of course, the price is cheap, so they are cheap, but they're really worth it. They're good enough. So let me try this hair extension so that you can know that this wig looks weird just because the extensions were straight and this wig is curly, but you get the drift. And in case you're ordering for such extensions, like just to add color to your hair, I thank you so much, guys, for watching. I don't think I'm going to try on the earrings, but in case you're interested in these earrings, like Motherland, yeah, I'm going to make sure that I put a link of the seller down below. And also, if you're interested in these nails or any of these things, basically these rings, this earring here that has a hook, yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.